In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube banner in Adobe Express. First, open Adobe Express in your web browser or on the mobile app. From the home screen, head to the YouTube Banner Maker page. This preset is helpful because it sets your canvas to the correct channel art size right away, so you don't have to worry about dimensions later. Next, choose a template to get started. There are thousands of professionally designed options, from bold and colorful layouts to minimal styles. Pick one that reflects your channel's vibe. Remember, templates are just a starting point. You can swap colors, fonts, and images as you go to make it fully your own. Click on the text elements in your template to personalize them. Replace the placeholder text with your channel name, a short tagline, or a call to action like, "Subscribe for weekly videos." Then refine the look. Adjust the font style, size, color, and alignment to match your branding. If you have brand fonts and colors, use them here for a consistent look across your channel. For readability, keep strong contrast between your text and the background. Dark text on a light area or vice versa works well. Now bring in your visuals. Upload your logo, photos, or illustrations directly into the project. If you don't have assets ready, browse Adobe Express's stock images and icon library to add visual interest. Logos with transparent backgrounds, PNG files, tend to look cleaner. Scale and position your images thoughtfully and use layers so text doesn't get hidden behind graphics. Refine the style and layout by dragging elements into place. Adjust the background color, add shapes, or place a subtle overlay to help text stand out. A semi-transparent rectangle behind your headline can improve readability without changing your overall design. Pay attention to spacing and alignment. Keeping elements lined up creates a more professional feel. Most importantly, make sure critical details sit inside the safe area. YouTube crops banners differently on TVs, desktops, and mobile devices, so keep your logo, text, and key graphics centered and away from the edges. Aim to keep them within the middle section of the canvas. If guides or grids are available, turn them on to help you center content and maintain balance. Once everything looks cohesive, take a moment to double-check contrast, spelling, and alignment. A clean, branded banner can make a strong first impression on visitors and set the tone for your channel. And that's how you create a polished YouTube banner in Adobe Express.